Welcome to the media studio at Enlit Europe. Today we're talking about Germany's grid and renewable moves with Michael and Dieter from Pillars. Welcome, guys.
Hi. Come.
Firstly, I'd like to ask about the grid situation in Germany. The country has quite an ambitious plan for net zero. Do you think the grid is equipped to handle all of the renewable energy sources coming online?
Yeah, from our side, at the moment, we have to say no, because we have very much differences in our national grid. So we have a stable utility in the north for all these wind turbines to get the energy in the south. But these local regulations are so high in Germany that it's hard to fit up the grid to get all the energy also in the south.
And do you think there are any improvements that can be made to really make the process as smooth as possible for bringing renewables online?
Certainly. So what we see is we have a lot of renewable energy sources, especially in the rural areas. So there is a high capacity of renewables, while the demand is located in different areas where the high population and the high industrial parts are. And the link in between, so the energy highways for the renewables especially, that is under construction. But unfortunately, it's still not fast enough. So definitely we need to hurry up here.
Speed is, of course, key. And there's this trend about decentralized renewables coming online. What more can you tell us about this?
Here, if you have a look on this energy mixed, we get more and more also the renewable energies. Then is one important part missing, because all these solar panels, these wind turbines, also the battery energy storages cannot support us with inertia, which is main important for load steps, and also no real stabilization to take over all this load when one load gets off in the system.
It's funny that you mentioned about stabilization, and I'd like to ask about the role of mini-grids, microgrids in helping with congestion management. What are your takes on that?
Well, finally, it's all about voltage and frequency stabilization in microgrids. And the essential piece here is to have a smart grid management controller that balances the demand and the supply side properly. And this is finally the key piece in controlling all these different sources. We see that mini grids, especially in rural areas, are increasing rapidly. For example, we see this in housing, in construction of housing, where those new buildings get energy neutral or already negative in today's world. And this is a path to net zero that we need to speed up.
Well, thank you guys so much for coming on and just sharing some of your insights. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Thanks a lot.
Make sure to join the Enlit community and subscribe to all of our channels. Thanks for watching.